everybody, it's Alexa and my office is a horrible mess. So I'm going to do a clean with me video. We're gonna clean this desktop off and put away all this stuff. It's a mess in here. I had chickens in here. Now they're in the chicken coop finally. They were chicks. I've got things out of baskets. Kids have ransacked this place. I've been trying to record things. I was traveling and out of town, so it's time to take care of this mess. So I had made myself a coffee, but I already drank it. I fired up a motivational video and then I got distracted on Twitter, but no, this is it. We're not messing around anymore. We are gonna get this clean so we can start tomorrow off a beautiful day. That is one relaxed dog. Okay, so let's start with the obvious things. Start putting away things. You know, I can't believe this. I took a trip a month ago, I think, and I still have this bag. Oh my gosh. See, look. These are shoes. These go in my closet. And these instruments go away. So let me put these away. See, I forgot. So this is instrument. Wow, I really did not know that I still had this bag here. I mean, you know, this goes to show, you know, if you don't put things away right away, you have to do like what Conway says, be an unpacking robot. Okay, see, look, we just unpacked this. This can go in the closet. This is empty. The principle here is this. Obviously you can sort of tackle wherever, but it's nice to sort of clear one space first. So that's what we're gonna do. We're basically, I mean, the focus is maybe the desk, but I'm also just putting the obvious things away. But I am kind of doing random here. That's not even hard to do, right? I believe this is garbage. It's a tax receipt. It's garbage. can see, I've actually already gotten a lot of this cleaned out. Now here, this is my cords basket, and my kids were going through this, and then they just took everything out. But you know, I do it too. I open everything up, and then I leave it out. So let's put that back. This is a duster, probably gonna come in handy in a second. And just like that, we have cleaned up the floor anyway, and gotten ourselves some new floor space, so that's good. Let's see, these are cough drops. Okay, I just put the cough drops in my meds bucket in the bathroom, so that was easy. Let's just put this away for the moment. Again, we're just trying to clear spaces off, and then we can go back and fix them later, or reorganize them later. Okay, this is a check that needs to be put with it, then that's a check that I need to deposit. These are papers. I'm gonna check this with my son. Let's see. So in a second, I'm going to put this away, because one of my techniques is I actually put the printer in the closet in a drawer. I don't need it all the time. And this I want to read later. I'll be right back. This is, I gotta keep this, although, let's see, part of this is, so some of these things need to be filed. This is a check that needs to be deposited, but let's start putting some things into the closet, which is where I keep the filing cabinet. It's a little dusty, but okay. So we take this, and I have a drawer in my filing cabinet where I keep this printer. And one thing I notice is that a lot of times I don't use my filing cabinets. So we're just gonna take this off of here for the moment so that we can keep cleaning. And I'll put this in the other room. See, this is going much, much, much faster than I thought it would, which is awesome. Can go in here. And this can go in here. Do I have taxes for 2018? Can you believe it's that time? Huh, crazy. Okay. Wow, the desk is actually clear. Can you see that? I just cleared off the desk. That did not even take very much time, guys. So, si se puede. That did not take very much time to clear off that desk. Okay, so there's a few more things we need to do, but that is a huge, huge improvement. Now let's get this cleaned off. So I have some glass cleaner, and I don't like to buy it in this aerosol version, but my husband bought it, so I gotta use it up. Okay, so let's dust this off first. I suppose, actually now that I realize it, I should have done this first, because otherwise this will fall on the ground. But hey. And like I said, ideally you start up here, start all the top levels first, but I'm trying to do this quickly, so although yeah, I could get some of these top things. The other thing is that this duster, because it's microfiber, it does pick up the dust, so it doesn't necessarily just drop it on the ground. Okay, and now we are going to clean this off a little bit. Got my magic eraser, and I love this desk, and I knew I wanted a glass desk in here because of how big this room would look with it, and I was gonna buy one on Amazon, and you know, they're not very well made or anything, and I found this desk on the street. I love it, and it's so it's really solid. That's one thing I like about this desk. Really, really solid. And I like a glass desk just because it allows you to have, I mean, for a long time I was trying to go with no desk, and there's a lot to be said for no desk as well, because no desk means nothing to accumulate. But, you know, it can definitely be nice to have a desk. And so I like this desk because I have a ton of surface area, and yet because it's glass, you know, you don't see that at all. I mean, it doesn't take up the space at all. And I don't know how it gets smudged underneath. I don't know who does that, but I just get in there. I try to get it. And there you have it. I've basically cleaned off my desk after weeks of it being messy. So I did it, and it really took less time than I thought it would take. So I hope this was good inspiration to get in there, get that desk clean so you can start off tomorrow morning or tonight or whenever is your favorite work time with a clean slate. And just know sometimes it takes less time than you think it does, and you know, use YouTube for inspiration. I did that this morning. I went for a run, and before I went for my run, I just turned on YouTube, looked for running motivation, and you know, monkey see, monkey do. So that got me out the door and got me to do my run. So I hope this gets you to tackle that little project you have, and you know, be quick and dirty. Sometimes that's what it takes. Just get in there, get out, get it done. Don't stress, don't try to get too many details, like there's more I could do. I'm just doing with the basic stuff, and I feel really great. So I hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe and share your little decluttering victory that you did today or you're gonna do tomorrow. All right, bye.